we're back again. Oh, this place has got so much to fly around. What's that? Yeah, as soon as mine went down to about 8, yeah, I was like, ooh, that's questionable. And he's gone. There it is. Fucking got to.
Use that quad finder, but yeah, it's a good thing.
Yeah. Yeah, look, watch, look, so this, look.
Let's have a look at your screen. Let's do it.
Beep, yeah, look, it beeps at it,
Oh,
and
right.
obviously it probably won't work 'cause I'm so close to it. Oh yeah, there you go, look, it's dropping.
Yeah.
Alright. I got taken out by the smallest ghost branch ever. I've gone through worse than that before, but that just, yeah, bitch. Anyway, we'll try again.
Further that way, I'm sure.
No, it's it.
Is it?
Yep. And I have lost the ND filter. Oh shit. I don't think I'm going to be able to find that, am I?
Look, mate. Alex is going to talk about his drone, about what he's going to do.
Right. Well, I've lost that ND filter in that bloody useless state of a crash, so don't have any TBS ND 16 filter anymore, so I'm using a butter filter now, which technically doesn't go on this drone, it goes on a session 5, but we'll see how it goes. Right, let's do this.
Should work.
Right, well, we finished flying today. Broken ND filter, so I'm using the butter ones now, and they seem to be alright by the looks of it. Until next time, see you guys later.